Today I want to talk to you about chiropractic and what it can cure. Now I'm sure you've heard people say, you chiropractors think you can cure everything. And here's the deal. Chiropractors can't cure anything. Chiropractic can't cure anything. No doctor in the world can cure anything. Never has, never will. The only thing that will cure something is you. It's your body. It's your innate intelligence. So chiropractors, you hear of people getting better through chiropractic care from paper cuts to cancer to asthma to digestive problems, sleeping problems, all these things. And so people think, well, gosh, those chiropractors, they must be able to cure everything. And like I said earlier, that's not the case. But when we have interference to the nervous system, your body cannot heal and function at its very best. So simply what we do is we remove that interference, allow that innate intelligence to express itself fully in the body. And when that happens, your body has the very best chance of healing itself from anything, from a paper cut to cancer. So think about that. Whether you've got a paper cut, are you better off with nerve flow, proper nerve flow? Absolutely. If you've got asthma, are you better or worse with proper nerve flow? You're better. Whether you have cancer, is your body going to be better or worse with proper nerve flow? All three, the same answer. You're always going to be better off with proper nerve flow and a healthy nervous system. When that happens, again, your body has the best chance to heal itself naturally, from above, down, inside out. So hope you learned something today. Join us next time when we talk about how chiropractic can change your life and your family's life. Thanks for listening.